Hello. Best portable workbench. Every artisan, woodworker, craftsman, or DIY hobbyist need a portable workbench. But what really, is it? And why should you own one? You need a best portable workbench. We've put together this list to help you pick the best portable workbench 2018. First place. Worx Pegasus – Best Versatile Folding Portable Workbench. Do you want to bring your workbench wherever it's needed? Well, the Pegasus promises to deliver on that aspect and so much more. This item arrives folded in a Worx Pegasus box. You'll not need to install anything. Just unfold it and settle it down to start working on your projects. It is versatile, flexible, and easy to load. Worx Pegasus multi-function work table and sawhorse with quick clamps and holding pegs. WX051 price, $119.99. What we like. It can convert from a workbench to a sawhorse at a moment's notice. It does not require any assembly when folding and unfolding. Work surface can accommodate different types of work materials. It has a lower shelf to access tools easily. Foldable design uses a lockdown leg system to prevent accidental collapse. What we don't like. It cannot accommodate other types of clamps from different workbenches. You can only expand the work surface using other Worx Pegasus workbenches. Result. 5 stars out of 5. Second place. Keter Folding Compact – Best Heavy-Duty Workbench. Whether you want to sand 2x4s or you want to get handy on the go, the Keter Folding Workbench is a great pick. It provides a sturdy worktop to help you work with heavy materials without worrying the surface will give in the middle of a job. Apart from the positive first impressions, you'll notice that this ProCut is elegant and it stands out in any workshop. Keter Folding Compact Workbench Sawhorse Work Table with Clamps price $69.33. Heavy-duty capabilities. You'll like that it comes with a pair of handheld clamps that secure the material in place. These clamps are adjustable, meaning you can deal with different shapes of materials. They can also be installed in horizontally or vertically. Better still, the worktop provides a wide area where you can place oversized materials. You can feel that the surface is also textured to ensure that soft materials do not slide off the top. This is a compact workbench, and it has a fast opening and closing mechanism. It can take less than a minute to open it, and another 30 seconds to collapse it to a flat bench. What we like. It has an integrated handle for quick transportation. It's lightweight with heavy-duty capabilities. The two 12-inch clamps are adjustable to hold varied materials. What we don't like. It does not have a lower shelf to store tools. The swivel handle has been reported to be of low quality. Result. 4 stars and a half out of 5. Third place. Black & Amp, Decker WM125 Best Portable Workbench on a Budget. Black & Amp, Decker is a reputable company with workshop tools. The WM125 is no exception as it exhibits some very reliable properties. Just like the other models, this workbench comes folded in a box. It does not also require any assembly. It looks brilliant on the outside with black legs and a wooden worktop. It retains its high-quality structure as it is resistant to scratches, peeling, corrosion, and rust. This indicates that it is a reliable product that you'll get to use for a long time. Compact, lightweight design. Its portability also opens possibilities for moving it around your home when you want to perform repairs, or when you want to free up space in your workshop. Reliable performance. If you've ever worked with a heavy material, sometimes it becomes hard to stabilize it. The WM125 comes with non-skid feet that prevent the workbench from sliding. You can use it on all kinds of floors from hard concrete, to soft wooden ones. It also preserves the floor by preventing any scratching when you drag the workbench to a different position in the workshop. Price, $34.72. What we like. It is lightweight and compact, only 15 pounds. It folds flat for easy storing and transportation. It has a sturdy steel frame for durability. It comes with adjustable swivel pegs. Non-skid feet keep the workbench stable on slippery surfaces. What we don't like. The weight capacity is a bit small. It does not have a tool shelf. Result. 4 stars out of 5. Fourth place. Performance Tool W54025 Best Multipurpose Workbench. This workbench is more compact as it has a smaller print than any of the models on our list. It is in a bright yellow color that suits those that are keen on the sophistication of the exterior features. Flexible working options. This tool is great for DIY enthusiasts. It carries a large working surface on the multi-purpose platform. First, the tabletop has a grid, ruler, and protractor. It makes your work much easier by allowing the taking of measurements for the materials on the platform. It uses a one-handed clamp system to give the convenience of adjusting the jaws independently. The 4 bench dogs come in handy when holding oddly shaped materials. It preserves their surfaces by preventing any unwanted scratches. Folding design. The collapsible design of this tool makes it easy to transport and store. It does not take much space, so whether you want it around the workshop or you have to stack it in an already full store, you can be sure no part is going to break in the process of storing this tool. Price, $89.35. What we like. Tabletop has prints of the grid, ruler, and protractor. It's fast and easy to fold and store or transport. It has a tool storage rail for easy reach. It can hold odd-shaped pieces. It is lightweight with a 200 lb weight capacity. What we don't like. The storage rail is limited to small tools. The weight capacity should be a little higher for a multi-function workbench. Result. 3 stars and a half out of 5. 5th place. Kreg KWS 1000 Mobile Project Center – Best All-Around Portable Workbench. If you are looking for a true workhorse, then you have it in the Kreg KWS 1000. It works great for professional and hobbyists projects as it provides great accuracy. Robust frame. This workbench explores an A-style steel frame. It is responsible for holding workpieces up to 350 pounds. The 2 tables have a construction from polypropylene resin. This makes it virtually indestructible from scratches, exposure to the sun and many other outdoor elements. Polypropylene is recyclable, so you can count on this tool not to end up in a landfill. Ample storage space. The Kreg KWS 1000 has built-in trays to hold screws, and it also has holsters to store your drill. The lower shelf has a weight capacity of 25 pounds. You can store much larger tools when you want to access them quickly in the middle of a project. It helps to keep everything at hand's length but still out of the way for a clean working surface. Price, $201.98. What we like. Folds in seconds for compact storage. The table locks using easy release tabs that prevent collapse of the tabletop. Kreg bench clamp can adjust horizontally and vertically. It has a built-in storage tray and lower shelf for convenient storage of tools. The steel legs provide a firm foundation. Large work surface allows 360-degree access. What we don't like. It's a bit heavy for its portable capability. It uses lots of plastic which could break over time. Result. 4 stars and a half out of 5. Thank you for watching. Check description under this video to find products links and more reviews.